The wonders of the night sky have captured the imaginations of humankind for thousands of years. Those lucky enough to gaze up at the stars on a clear night may have witnessed the majesty of the Milky Way, the elegant arch of color and starlight. But what exactly is the Milky Way? And can science provide an explanation? Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about that luminous band of stars arching overhead? That celestial river of light is our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But what exactly is the Milky Way, and what secrets does it hold? In today's journey through the cosmos, we'll dive into the heart of our galaxy, exploring TIA's structure, composition, and the fascinating astrophysics that govern it. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, a colossal collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, bound together by gravity. It's estimated to contain between 100 to 400 billion stars, and it's so vast that traveling at the speed of light, it would take about 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. Our galaxy isn't just a random scattering of stars. It has a well-defined structure. The Galactic Bulge is a densely packed group of older stars located at the center. The galactic disk is where spiral arms filled with young stars, nebulae, and interstellar matter reside. The Galactic Halo is a spherical region surrounding the galaxy, containing old stars and globular clusters. So, where do we fit into this grand structure? Our solar system is located in the Orion Arm, a minor spiral arm situated about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. We're essentially in the suburbs of the galaxy, a peaceful neighborhood away from the hectic downtown of the core. This position offers us a unique vantage point. We're close enough to observe the galaxy's structure, but far enough to avoid the intense radiation and gravitational forces near the center. At the heart of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A-star, a supermassive black hole with a mass about 4 million times that of our Sun. This behemoth governs the orbits of stars in the inner galaxy and plays a crucial role in its evolution. While we can't see the black hole directly, we observe its influence, as stars whipping around an unseen mass, and emissions from accreting matter falling into the gravitational abyss. Here's a cosmic conundrum. The outer regions of the Milky Way rotate at similar speeds as regions closer to the center, defying Newtonian physics, if only visible matter is considered. This discrepancy hints at the presence of dark matter, an invisible substance making up about 85% of the galaxy's mass. Dark matter doesn't emit or absorb light, but exerts gravitational effects, keeping the galaxy's rotation curve flat. Galaxies are dynamic entities, constantly evolving. The Milky Way formed around 13.6 billion years ago from merging proto-galaxies. Even now, it continues to grow by absorbing smaller satellite galaxies, a process known as galactic cannibalism. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way is expected to collide with the Andromeda galaxy. This colossal event will reshape both galaxies, forming a new elliptical galaxy, often dubbed Andromeda. How do we observe the Milky Way? Observing our galaxy from within poses unique challenges. Interstellar dust absorbs and scatters visible light, obscuring our view. However, by utilizing other wavelengths like infrared light and radio waves, astronomers can peer through the dust, unveiling the galaxy's hidden structures. Telescopes like the Spitzer Space Telescope and the newly operational James Webb Space Telescope expand our ability to study these obscured regions, offering insights into star formation and galactic dynamics. What is the Milky Way's place in the universe? Our galaxy is part of a collection of galaxies known as the Local Group, a collection of over 54 galaxies bound by gravity. This group is, in turn, part of the Virgo supercluster, which is just one of millions of superclusters in the observable universe. Understanding the Milky Way helps us comprehend the larger cosmic web, the vast structure of the universe woven by galaxies and dark matter. The Milky Way is more than just a backdrop to our night sky. It's a dynamic, complex system filled with wonders waiting to be explored. As we continue to study our galactic home, we not only learn about the cosmos, but also gain perspective on our place within it. The next time you look up and see that milky band of stars, remember, you're part of something vast and incredible. The journey to understand it is just as infinite. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our galactic voyage. Please remember to like and subscribe to Science Curious.